The visit to Torre Lupara is based on an essential concept: Mother Earth conceived as wealth for humanity and for all living beings. From the earth of our land, one of the most fruitful of the planet, comes the flower of our milk. From the land of sounds come the emotions and memories of a folk music able to turn into voices and sounds the dreams and needs of the work in the fields. Torre Lupara covers 200 hectares of land planted with fodder for feeding buffaloes. The herd has about 2,100 buffaloes, and the farm has 20 stables, with a park on land that ends with swimming pools, and 5 stables attached to the delivery room and 2 calf rooms. During the visit, you will probably see newborn calves on their feet after a few hours of birth. You can feel the emotion of contact by cuddling these puppy buffaloes. In the milking parlor, you can see up-to-date computerized equipment that guarantees maximum respect for the animals and the high quality of the milk produced. The visit to the cheese factory, where you can see the processing of milk into mozzarella cheese, anticipates the final emotions. The tasting of buffalo products and some culinary excellence of the land. Ricotta, mozzarella, smoked cheese, parmesan, buffalo salami to rediscover the flavors of our happy land. A taste of our music, where you can meet the artists and listen to the stories sung by them. You can learn when and how the musical instruments are made, when the moon allows you to collect the canes to make wind instruments, so that the sound emitted is not a noise. We host our visitors taking care of their time. We open the doors of our world hoping to raise awareness and respect for Mother Earth, animals and life.